and welcome back to Other Buys. Today we've got this BuxRevive Box Caterpillar Treatment. So I've had some problems with my Bacillus trees and bushes, and the caterpillars keep eating them. So I got this off Amazon. I think it was about £15–20. Supposed to be a fungus that kills the fungus that kills the caterpillars, stops them eating, and then they should die off. So it's supposed to be quite specific rather than the insecticides that kill pretty much all the other wildlife. So let's have a look what's inside. So you get 5 treatments, so should cover 150 meters squared. So I got this off Amazon, but they do have a website as well where you can purchase this from. So have a look inside. You've got 5 individual sachets for 5 treatments. It also comes with a leaflet. So again, you get this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to it. You can also get it from their website. Shows you how to make them up. So 1 sachet, directly 3 litres of water, and then spray it onto your bushes. So you can use a garden sprayer. I was going to use a garden sprayer, but I had some chemicals in mine. I was worried that might affect the fungus in here. So what we'll use is I've got an old spray bottle, and I'll measure it up and put it in there. So 3 litres might be a bit of a challenge, particularly if you've only got a small area like me. So I'm probably going to weigh a fraction out and make it up to a litre and use that. So hopefully this will cure the box tree caterpillar infestation. Apparently it's recommended to use it early on in the season before it gets bad pretty late in the season here, but I just want to see if it works. So if you want to get some of this, put a look in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Must be good stuff. Bacteria involved, or a fungus. Says it on here somewhere. Maybe it doesn't. Doesn't say it on the box, but it is on the website. BuxRevive Box Caterpillar Treatment. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and yeah, leave a comment. Thanks so much, guys. See you later.